deboto tayo ng Piña Francia. Kahit anong binata pa, okay na, hindi dyan na tayo.
Taon-taon mo ba kayong sumasama dito sa...
Taon-taon.
Parang...
Kahit nung ako nasa Naga pa, pumapasan na ako sa Piña Francia, sa Giginan. Talagang devoted ako sa Piña.
Virgin of Peña Francia. So there is no need to rush. I know you are hungry. Everyone as I also do. Miss Alia.
Kahit tanongin niyo, yan.
Meron namin yan. Pinagkiriwang natin ang kapiesta ng Peña Francia.
Ito mga siguro pang-5, pang-6 na taon na namin na kami panata namin ito na taon-taon. September, palaging ginagawa ang Peña Francia sa Vienna, Austria.
And you say, I couldn't care less. I have my own problems at home. Somebody says, please help me. I have no home to go home to. I was rejected by my parents. And you say, I couldn't care less. I am busy with business here. The world cries out. There is suffering, there is war, there is poverty. And we say, we couldn't care less. Because we have cheese on the table and food in our ranks. But in the end, if we do not care, we know that we will all suffer. We end up all losers. At this table is a God who cared. Even when people did not care, they even crucified Him, but He cared just the same. He is a God who guarantees that He will lead us to life. Are we willing to listen to Him? Now we go back to that original question. Where are you?
Talagang gusto ko na yung faith ko talaga kay Mama Mary ay makompleto ko yung wini-wish ko sa kanya at sa lahat ng mga tao.
Kami ay dati ng Bicolana po kasi this is our tradition of celebrating the Peña Francia. Yeah, that is our tradition.
Ilang years na ba kayo sumasama dito?
We've been here for 5 years celebrating the fiesta.
Okay, salamat.
magiging kaherman mayor ni Manoy Steve ay si Manay Gloria Sindelca. Who is from Ponso, Pulangi, Albay. So, ang magiging hermano at hermano mayor for next year.
Feel the power of the intercession with God. Grant, pray for me, our passion, and tread peacefully the path that leads to eternal life. Philippines.
Lahat ng ginagawa dito sa Vienna at sa ibang bagay.
So, there is no need to rush. I know you are hungry. Everyone as I do. Kasi yung first half ko dito sa kabila, ako kuha mo na.
Ilang taon na kayong sumasama dito?
4 na taon na. Pinagdiriwang lagi namin ang mga Pinagdiriwang natin ang pinagdiriwang namin ang kapista ng Pilipinas. Hello.
But in the end, if we do not care, we know that we will all suffer.
Yung faith ko talaga kay Mama Mary, ay makompleto ko yung wini-wish ko sa kanya.
Francia. Yeah, that is our tradition.
Ilang years na ba kayo sumasama dito?
Also,
Miss po ang hermano mayor next year.